booming clothing industry,
Bangladesh garment industry.
Trade that reshaped Bangladesh's economy.
Bangladesh garment industry.
The second largest clothing manufacturing and exporting country in the world after China. Every jeans around the world comes from here, from Bangladesh.
That shirt you're wearing, the jacket, check the tag. Chances are it says made in Bangladesh. I'm proud to be a developer from Bangladesh, the global epicenter of a $55 billion garment industry. We clothe the world. But here's the problem. This massive industry still runs on paper. Handwritten logs, messy spreadsheets, endless errors. This bottleneck costs factories millions and kills transparency. Our solution? RateSheet, a digital, real-time system that replaces chaos with clarity. For managers, instant production logging. Fully automated payroll with time-sensitive rates. No manual math. For organizations, a secure, multi-tenant platform with role-based access. Data stays locked and isolated. Let me show you a quick demo. A new user can sign up and create an organization in seconds. As an admin, you set up production sections, add workers, and define product styles. Here's the magic. Setting dynamic rates. This shirt style pays $0.70 in August, but will update it to $0.75 for September. Now, as a manager, I can log production daily. Watch this. When I log production for a day in August, the system automatically applies the August rate. The payroll is calculated instantly and accurately. All of this is wrapped in a modern UI with dark mode, full mobile responsiveness, and live data updates. Thank you.
Okay, just let me give you an overview how this application works, or how can you create an account and start with now. So let me just log in with the Google and let me join in with the account. So if you are a new organization, then you have to go to this process and you have to create your own account and set up your organization name. Let's wait a moment. Okay, so I have logged in successfully. So it is saying me create an organization or join a team. So since I have no organization, so I have to create an organization for my company. So let's say it's Urmi Group. Victoria. The best. We produce the best sweaters. So let's create an organization. So after creating organization, you will take into your dashboard. So you will see in the dashboard how much worker do you have, active sections, and today's production, active styles, and different production logs. So quick actions, in you can see you have to create your first section when you log in, and your production style. So what kind of product are you manufacturing, shirt, sweater, or other kind of thing. So the organization code is very important. So by this you can add manager or your people under your role to add them to manage this application, so they can see the production logs or enter production log. So let me just first have to add the sections. So in first section I have stitching line, I have cutting line. So if I have a manager, so that name will appear here. So I am assigning to myself. So I have added an section. So let's go back to dashboard again. Then it's saying me add workers. So let's say how to add a worker. Click on the worker, add worker name. Let's say worker name is Tuhin. His ID number is 1205, and I am assigning his to cutting line section. Add worker. So the Tuhin is working on the cutting line section, and this is create product styles. So this is the third sentence. If you create a new account, so that will guide you through. So I have to add my styles. So let's say I have SQ12 code. So this is the green shirt. Okay, so I can add the section. Which section is this under? So I can add the style. So currently this has no rate, but I can add the rate. So how much is single unit cost? So this is cost $7. So effective rate is from September 30 to the October 31. So I added the rate. So this is added. So in the production logs, into the production log, I will search the user or worker name. So I will add how much he has worked today. So maybe he made 45 shots today. So I add that log at 30. So yep. After that, my production log is done. So at the end of the day or at the end of the month, if I want to calculate any payroll, so I can select from month to month, start date to end, or if I have any bonus rule, so I can add that also. So I can add that from here. If the company has any bonus policy, we can add that here, and that will be shown here. And this is the report section. You can see the cutting line, all other sections. So you will get the all report from day to day, or you can select an specific date to get the reports. Or in the setting, you will can update your city address, postal code. And the important thing is, when you select a section, let's say you generate an report for the to him, so from 18 to October 30. So let's say, so he worked for 45 units. This amount is 315 taka. If you want, you can export that as PDF, or you can export that as CSV. So that will appear here, his individual name, month-wise, and how much he have worked on. So previously we used to do that in manually by pen and paper. So now the system is automated, so we can do that easily. You can see your dashboard update regularly, or you can click on the daily log to add your production unit. So that's all from my side. Yep. Hope you like that demo. Let's end.